Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Juliana Putri, NIM 2023-32089. From class A, in this I will explain the blockchain, the technology, practice, and the smart contract code that I create. First, I prepare the tools and the need. The practicum the tools are MetaMask, Remix ID, Ethereum, Sepolia, Faucet, Sepolia Testnet, and Etherscan. The first step was creating and connecting a MetaMask wallet to the Ethereum Sepolia Testnet network MetaMask. I use to manage blockchain account and approve transaction. Next, I use Ethereum Sepolia voucher to obtain free Sepolia. This test ETH is required to pay gas fees during the deployment and testing process. After the open Remix IDE create a Solidity smart contract called the Simple Store. The purpose of this smart contract is store and retrieve data on the blockchain. Now, I will explain the code. The contract is written using Solidity programming language. First, the line Solidity specifies the Solidity compiler version used by the smart contract. Next, we create the contract name simple store. Inside the contract, there is variable called data. This variable is used to store its information on the blockchain. The function set data is used to save in our data update data since this function changes the blockchain and stage requirement and transaction and gas fee. The function get data is used to store. The function does not modify the blockchain so it can be accessed for free without paying gas fee. After writing the code compile smart contract using the Solidity compiler in the Remix IDE, the compilation process was successful without error. Then I connect Remix IDE to MetaMask using the injection provider option. This allows Remix to access my wallet and interact with the Sepolia testnet. The next step was deploy the smart contract. When deploy, MetaMask display a confirm window showing transaction. After confirming the transaction, the smart contract was successfully Ethereum. The next deploy the smart contract where deploy MetaMask display a confirmation window showing the transaction detail and gas fee. After confirming the transaction, the smart contract was successful. Deploy the Ethereum Sepolia testnet. After deployment, I tested the smart contract by running set data function to store data. One blockchain transaction was processed and recorded successful. They verify the transaction Etherscan and searching using the transaction hash. The transaction status shows success indicate the smart contract interaction was complete the success. transaction was recorded the Ethereum Sepolia testnet, and the transaction hash can be used to prove that the transaction exists on the blockchain. In conclusion, this practicum helped the practicum me understand how blockchain technology deploys smart contracts using Remix IDE, how to use MetaMask for transaction approval, and how to verify transaction using Etherscan. Thank you for watching.